Alrighty guys, MulWark was nice enough to send us this 16-piece magnetic hex nut driver master kit. Neat box, really sweet looking box. I feel bad because I have a toolbox and I'm not gonna put this in the toolbox because I'm kind of limited on space. Because I have a lot of tools. So what do we got in here? We have our half-inch. Oh, what's this one called again? I don't know. The thing you put your socket onto. You got the 3/8 inch, your 1/4 inch, and then you got your bit holder, which the bit holder and the 3/8 inch connector. Those things I use all day long, every day at work. So I'm excited to have a couple new ones of those because I'm always breaking them or losing them, and I just want to look at this real quick because I've broken probably 10 of these that have the lifetime warranty from another company. Still waiting on them to send the replacements to me, which doesn't make any sense because you're going to pay more in shipping for replacements than you are for just buying the new one. So thank you MulWark for sending me that because I always need those. I destroy them. I'm horrible with them. I demolish them. That's just from hitting them all day, every day. What else you got? You got your 8 through the 14 on metric millimeters, that is. And then you got your 1/4 inch through 9/16 on your imperial. So nice. These all have magnets in them to help hold everything in place. I like that. I really do. I didn't realize they all had magnets in them. Let's look here, see what we got. See if we have anything that'll fit in there. And these are impact, right? I mean, they're black, so you'd think they're impact ready. It doesn't say on the box whether they're impact ready, but from everything I've known, the black ones are usually impact ready. So see if we have a. Oh, it's too big. Oh, it's too big. Well, I don't have any smaller. Here's a smaller one, but I think it's going to be, yeah, it's just slightly too big for the metric. Ooh, that's a nice tight fit on the 3/8, but I might have screwed up because that's magnet and I don't have anything to pull it out with. So let's look at some of our other bits. Now this one has a magnet inside of it. This is another company. You put the bit in and, well, you see, it really doesn't slide in. She doesn't like grab a hold, right? I mean, she's barely hanging there. You can hear a small click, not a very big one. And whenever I'm using this, this thing always comes out. And there is a magnet in there, so it baffles me. Let's look at the bit holder for the MulWark. And I'm sorry, the robot vacuum decided it's going to just clean. Let's put this right here on the end. Now the same thing, not really sliding back. Does have a little bit more, has a lot more hold. Didn't really like snap in like I'd hoped, but I mean that's got a pretty good hold there. Let's put that other one here. Just because well, now that one decided it wanted to hold. I don't know. It is holding though. We're going to keep this out because we don't want to put it in our toolkit yet. Let's see here. far as for fit, ooh, nice tight. Nice. And of course, these we wouldn't need the adapters for because these all have the that'll go right into the chuck. So that's nice. Let's look to see what we got as far as fitting into the chuck. That's what everyone wants to know, right? Will it fit into the chuck? Fits in the chuck, doesn't spin extra. That's the other company. Nice. Fits in. The actual driver's buried in there. I'm not going to dig it out. I mean, it's fairly clear it's going to fit into your chuck. They're not going to sell it if it's not wanted. So, we just did that because I wanted to, you know, I thought someone might want to see that. So, thank you, MulWark. We'll be using the piss out of these for the next, a couple years maybe, hopefully. We'll put the link for these down below in the description. Check those out. The nice people over at MulWark did give these to me for free just to check them out. I might do an update video after a week or two after I use the piss out of these, just to let you know how they hold up. Because they look solid. I mean, they really do. And they look a lot more solid than these other ones. I mean, set them side by side here for comparison. They're quite a bit longer too. So we're down here, quite a bit longer. Doesn't have that. This one has that beveled in part, or that's usually where they break. This one doesn't have that. It's pretty solid throughout there. So I think these will work a lot better. I did have yeah, see, this one has a little bit less of a gap in there. And actually, I've been using this one for about a month. But as you can see, the MulWark one still solid throughout the whole, shank. This one has a little break point, which I don't know what the tape's there for, but whatever. So this is more solid. I've been using this one for about a month with no problem. These are the ones that I break about once a week. So I'm going to assume this one's going to be at least a month, more than likely longer. Because I'm pretty sure this one's not going to break anytime soon either. So I'm happy about that. And it's always nice to have a couple extra sockets in my toolkit, just because you never know when a tool is going to go down, or when you're going to drop one, or leave one at its job site and not have it the next time you go back. Always important to have extras laying around ready to go, especially if you're in the business of assembling and you need your tools, like now, because you're not making money unless you're assembling something or building something. So we are very, very thankful. Thank you, MulWark. We'll definitely get some use out of these. Back.